I know what a normal knock is and what a not normal knock is.
So again, when things go bump in the night, do you feel like someone should go look into what is that?
It just depends on how brave you are, if it's me, I already know it's already there. And I just say, I hear you. Sorry I hadn't been talking to you lately. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Just remind me.
Yeah.
Stuff like that.
Just remind me.
Yeah.
What's that? Because normally I just chuck it up to, hey, there's something going on.
I've learned how to debunk real well. And I know what, like say an ice maker or the refrigerator's kind of like regenerate itself, whatever. And I know all that kind of stuff. But